Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults stands out in the crowded e-bike market, combining impressive functionality with sleek design. Equipped with a powerful 500W motor, this folding e-bike delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, making it a perfect companion for urban commuting and leisurely rides alike. One of the most appealing features of this e-bike is its versatility in sizing. With options for 14, 16, 20, and 26 frames, it caters to a wide range of riders, ensuring comfort and stability regardless of body type. The adjustable frame and folding design make it incredibly convenient for storage and transport, easily fitting into car trunks or small apartments. The bike's battery performance is commendable, offering a range of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of assistance used. This makes it suitable for longer rides without the anxiety of running out of juice midway. The battery is also removable, allowing for easy charging without having to bring the whole bike indoors. Riding the Isinwheel e-bike is a delight, thanks to its responsive handling and smooth ride quality. The suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring a comfortable experience on various terrains. The disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, which is essential for safety, especially when reaching higher speeds. The bike is also equipped with a bright LED headlight, enhancing visibility during night rides, and the integrated bell adds an extra layer of safety by alerting pedestrians. However, it's worth noting that assembly can be somewhat challenging, requiring a bit of mechanical skill to get everything set up correctly. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike for adult combines power, portability, and practicality in a stylish package. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their daily commute or explore the outdoors with ease. With its robust motor and thoughtful design, this e-bike offers great value for both novice and experienced riders.